Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here's my meal prep for the week. What we have going is I baked some potatoes and I'm just going to cut them in half. I'm going to make them potato skins, potato boats for a taco night for this week. And the insides, I'll just do some mashed potatoes. I have some fruit salad with mango and strawberries, and I'm just going to take a little cup to work and then pair it up with some of my meals for the week. Then we have five. This is scrambled eggs with mushrooms, bell peppers, tomatoes, and onions. And then we have my homemade chorizo. It's a turkey chorizo, which I'll be uploading a video in a couple days. Look out for that. It'll include the recipe and how to make it. Honestly, it's so easy. So I made my homemade chorizo, which you can use in different ways, but in this case, I used it with papas and chorizo, which is potatoes and chorizo. And then I'm gonna pair it up with some radishes. As a Mexican, man, I just like to bite off these things. I don't know how else to explain it, guys. And then this is potato salad. I just did some potato in the crock pot. I shredded, put compliant mayo. There's potatoes, there's yellow bell pepper, there's onions, there's carrots, and I forget what else. Oh, there's cabbage. There's a lot of vegetables in there, but for whatever reason, apparently nothing had much color going on. So then we have some leftover sausage with marinara sauce, Italian sausage, and then some veggies for the week. So for whenever we cook something that doesn't have a compliant side, I could just kick this up. So that's what I have going on this week, guys. I hope you guys are having a fantastic, healthy week, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.